Guys, there's a Boeing 747 pulling up at JFK Airport. I'm not joking, there is one. You see that object right over there? That is the 747. Oh my God. But it's not a passenger plane, it's... Oh, plane took off. That's Korean Air. Oh, Korean Air cargo. Now the Boeing 747, it's about to land. And will it be a butter landing? Let's find out. 3, 2, 1. Will it be a butter landing? Will it be a butter landing? Ooh, no, it's not a butter landing. It's not. The 747 just touched down.
Double floating double.
If you see the white body in the distance, that's the 747. It's Nippon Cargo. You know how I pronounce it, Nippon Cargo and Nippon? I don't know. And then you have a One World plane. Oh my, and another 747? Another 747. Oh my God. There's 2 747s at JFK Airport right now. Heading up to Cathay Pacific One World plane. Hello. There it is, folks. 747. We've all been waiting for.
And today, the Coco. The devil for devil. Hey, another one. Oh my God. No, another devil for devil. Oh my God.
There it is, people. There it is.
Another one.
Right over there.
2 devil for devil.
I can literally hear the Boeing 747
Oh my God.
just right from here. That is how loud it is. Oh my God. Oh my God. 2 of them. 2. Pulling up.
The devil for the back. Devil for the force. The first one is devil for the eight. Look, now I know the one at the back. Oh, in 30.
Come on.
Come. But the plane take off. The plane take off. Do devil for devil. Thank you, Michael. Thank you.
Wow. 2 of them. through. Okay, the 747 is back to moving again.
How about energy? 5, 2, 8, energy.
Lines, everything gas. You can see closely, there's two of them. See?
Come on.
Come, I want to see you.
Okay, good. Now what for plane to take off?
Probably they're waiting for the planes to take off. Or they're just moving really slow. Bro, come on. The wheels are going to end. And you're not even moving. Little memory
Eight together. 8, 4, 4.
Can you just please move?
Okay,
Okay,
come.
first one moving.
Okay, I'm ready for that. Now, come in for that. Go.
There it is. A Boeing 747. Wow! And then the next one. Oh, this one's loud. Very loud.
Going loud.
This one's loud.
Double push.
Bro, that really hurts my ears. Hey, Carl, you walked away. Yeah, you blocked my view. And, well, that's today's. Oh, no, wait. Well, folks, that was for today's video. 2 Boeing 747s landing together as brothers or sisters. So, well, thank you guys for watching. Yeah.